Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to show taps on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you want to show screen taps on your device, and then you can do the following steps. First of all, you must activate developer options. Well, please open the settings menu. And then, here you can scroll down and select about phone menu. Okay, after that you can tap software information and then tap on the build number 7 times. After that, here you can go back and then you can select developer options. Well, and then now you can scroll down until you find the show taps option. Well, and then you can activate it like this. Okay, and then the screen taps on your device is successfully displayed. Well, that's the tutorial on how to enable show taps on Samsung Galaxy A05 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.